Hello, my name is Mihail Alexe and I'm 28 years old. I'm from Romania, but for 3 years now I'm living in Germany. I was watching Dan Luke's videos few months before I decided to go and enroll in High Ticket Closer program because I decided that will be a good program for myself and I want to learn more actually from Dan. To be honest, the High Ticket Closer program, it's a very intense emotionally and psychically course. That because this course tried to change your mind and all your previous beliefs about money. I was very surprised then Dan and his team, Kevin and Desmond, at every course they give to the class 100% of their knowledge to make us change ourselves and to become a much more productive human beings. Even I don't share it with many people, I truly deep inside consider that Dan is a mentor to me and helped me change my vision about the world and see life differently. With the skills that I acquired during these weeks of High Ticket Closer program, I see myself quitting my job and make at least 10K easily per month in the next 12 months from now. I encourage everyone that thinks that it's prepared and open to changes to follow this program. You never know. Maybe this program can be a life changer for you. Also, you can make many friends who share the same ideals as you do in this training for all over the world. Once again, I want to thank you and have a good day.